Hey folks, so since Bongo's on the way out and Transit's on the way in, I thought I would kind of go through some of the features that Transit has. So when you open up the home screen, it brings up the routes that are closest to you right away at the top. You can basically see all of the departures for these routes near you right away without having to click into anything. If your goal is to see where all of the buses on a route are, you can either scroll to find the route or click the where to, and let's say we're looking for red route. Type red, shows up right at the top, you click that, and it shows all of the buses currently on that route on the map. So it's a little bit like Bongo in that way. The thing where Bongo is different than Transit is that it allowed you to click on a stop and see where like the nearest buses to those stops were. Transit has something like that, but it works a little differently. You have to drag the route or the little dot on your screen over near where the stop is, and then from there it'll show routes that go close to that. So another really cool feature that Transit has is their Go feature. So basically when you are sitting at a stop, you can click on a route and then hit the Go button, and when you hit that, it will give you live announcements when to leave, when to get off. It can do it audibly too if you want that, but it also shares the location of the bus that you're on with everyone else, which is awesome because it gives more up-to-date predictions than the MDTs do. So that's a really helpful feature. And the other thing that I think is a really big one is the trip planning aspect of that. So we're at the hub right now. Let's say that I wanted to go to McBride. So I'd hit that where to button, type in McBride. You can either use the exact address or it will show a little bus next to it if it's a bus stop. You click on that and hit get directions, and it will give you multiple options to get to that stop. So right now it's saying I can go in 2 minutes and catch a blue route or the red route. Gives you a lot of options, which is awesome. Yeah, if you have any questions about how to use this app or what to tell people, you can ask me or any other support person. We'll be glad to help you out.